Hi students, welcome to my channel Easy Maths by Uncle. Students, this is the first video on statistics for 10th class students. I am not going to give full explanation introduction on statistics because already for 9th class students I uploaded the videos. In that I have given introduction and also how to find measures of central tendency of data, mean, median, mode. For ungrouped data and also for grouped data I solved some examples from 9th class. Okay, so if you watch those videos you can understand 10th class statistics very easily, right? Students, directly now I am going to solve the problems in this video. First, only on mean I am going to solve, right? To find the mean of the given observations, again three methods are there. To find the mean only, we are having three methods. What are those? Direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Okay. So first, for the given problem, I am going to solve direct method. Actually, you have to remember one thing. If the observations are very low values, we can use direct method. Okay. Suppose if the data is very high values, you have to go for assumed mean method or step deviation method. And those are weak in statistics. They have to follow only direct method. Okay. You can do problem on direct method only. It is very simple one. That's why students carefully observe the problem. How to solve the given problem in direct method to find the mean. Yeah. The following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean of the literacy rate. Students, literacy rate will be different in different cities. State-wise, if you observe, Kerala is in top position. Okay, there nearly 100% literacy rate is there. Anyhow, 35 cities they are given. We don't know which cities are those, but literacy rate 45 to 50%. 3 cities are there. 55 to 65%. 10 cities like that they are given. Okay. Now we have to find mean literacy rate. Okay. So first I am solving this problem in direct method. First, the given horizontal column you are writing vertical column. Okay. So first one is what? Literacy rate in percentage. That is called class interval. 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, 85 to 95. Okay. So that column as it is you are writing here. Students, if you observe here 45 to 55, 55 is same repeating here, 55 to 65, 65 is repeating here. Okay. Such type of class intervals are called exclusive type class intervals. Okay. So why we are calling these are exclusive type class interval means, suppose if 55 is there in the observations, that value we won't enter in this column, in this row. 45 to 55, that is one class. Okay, 45 to 55 class, you won't enter the 55 value. Then where we have to enter? 55 to 65. We are excluding from this class. We are entering in the next class. That's why this is called exclusive type class interval. Okay. Some other class intervals are there. 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. All those are said to be inclusive type class interval. 1 to 10, 1 and 10 both will be included in the same column. Okay, 11 to 20, 11 and 20 also included in the column. So that is called inclusive type class interval. But this is exclusive type class interval, also said to be continuous class interval. Okay, that is discrete class interval, but this is continuous class interval. Right. To find the mean in direct method, first class interval, next frequency. So 45 to 55% literacy rate, how many cities are there? 3 cities. Next 10, 11, 8, 3. Okay. Only these two columns they will give. Now immediately what we have to find? What are the mid values? Mid values are also said to be class mark. Like that's why I entered both items here. Class mark or mid values, meaning is same. Students, how to find mid values of class intervals? 45 to 55. Here add these two by 2 you have to find. That is the mid value. Okay. A and B, two values are there. To find the mid value, A plus B by 2. Okay. Like that 45 plus 55 by 2. You will get 100 by 2. This is 50. Okay. First mid value we are getting 50. Now here 55 to 65 we will get 60. Now 70, 80, 90. How to write all these values very fastly? You observe here. What is the class width or class size, class length? Here you have to do like this. 55 minus 45, you will get 10. 75 minus 65, you will get 10. Here also, these are called lower boundaries, these are called upper boundaries. Here also you can find class size. 95 to 85, you will get 10. 85 minus 75, again you will get 10. So what is the class size here? 10. So if you find first bit value, later you add that class size. Okay, fatapat you will get that values very fastly. We can do that. So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Now next in direct method we have to calculate Fi Xi. So multiply these two values. These are frequencies. Okay. Number of cities I entered here. Number of cities, that is frequency, denoted as Fi. Okay, Fi is frequency. Now mid values Xi, right? Now Fi into Xi, 3 into 50, 150. 10 into 60, you will get 600. 11 into 70, 11 7 77, 0. 8 8 just 64, 0 is there, 640. 3 9 just 27, 0 is there. Okay. Now you have to add these total frequency values sigma f. What is sigma f? They are given 35 cities. Okay. If you add, you will get 35 only here also. Now sigma Fi is Xi is what? Sigma Fi Xi equal to what? Add all these things. 0. Now 5, 7, 12, 16, 23. 2 to 4, 6, 10, 10, 17, 23, 24. Right? Students, now sigma Fi is 2430. Sigma F is F or Fi, it is 35. Now, in direct method, how to find X bar? That is mean X bar equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. Right? So, in direct method, this is the formula. Mean X bar equal to, I will write here, mean X bar equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. You know sigma Fi Xi, it is 2430 by sigma Fi, it is 35. Okay. Cancel by 5 0 5 is there. Okay. 5 7 ja. 5 4 ja 20. 5 8 ja 40. 5 6 ja 30. So how much you are getting? 486 by 7. So divide this one. 486 by 7. 7 7 are 49. 7 6 are only 42. 6 6. 7 9 are 63. Right? 3. Take 0 here we put point. Now 7 4 are 28. Now 2. Take again 0. 7 3 are nearly 7 3 are. Okay, it is nearly 7 3. So how much we are getting here? Mean 69.43. Right? This is the direct method, very simple method. So what we are doing here? The literacy rate and number of cities we are entering in vertical column. First one is class interval Ci. In shortcut you can write class interval Ci. Now number of cities, it is Fi. So immediately you find the mid values of class interval. So 45 55 mid values 50. Next one is 60. Like that you enter Xi, that is mid values of class interval. That is Xi, frequency is Fi. Just multiply these two, Fi Xi. Okay? You have to multiply these two, add all these values. Sigma Fi Xi you will get. Add total frequency, you will get sigma Fi. So what is the mean? X bar equal to sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. Simple. Okay? Students, here we are getting mean. I am writing here mean. How much we are getting? 69.43, right? In direct method. Suppose in assumed mean method, how much value we are going to get? Here only I will solve that problem, right? Same table I will continue. Students, here Fi we are solving here. But in assumed mean method, DI values are necessary. We have to find deviation values. Okay. So what are those deviations? Observe here. Class interval, frequency, mid values. Up to here, same thing. Okay. Now I am going to solve this one in assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Okay. So in assumed mean method, you have to find deviation values. Di. What is di? That is xi minus a. Okay. Deviation di is xi minus a. I am getting here deviation. What is deviation? Xi minus a. What is a here? We are assuming one value as mean. Okay. Alright. Generally, we will take mid value. Okay. In mid values, I am taking this one as a. Right. 70. I am assuming as mean. Now xi minus a. All these are xi values. Okay. So xi minus a. 50 minus 70. Next 60 minus 70. 70 minus 70. Like that you are to do. One time you will get negative values, 0 will come on the same line, again you will get positive values, right? So 50 minus 70, you are getting first minus 20. Now 60 minus 70, you are getting minus 10. 70 minus 70, on the same line you will get 0. Now 80 minus 70, you will get 10. 90 minus 80, you will get 20. Okay, so first you are getting negative values, 0 will come, again you will get positive values. So after finding di, you have to find fi di. In the first case, fi xi we are finding. In this case, we have to find fi di. Okay, what is fi di? See, these are di values, these are frequencies. First we have done fi into xi. Don't get confused. In assumed mean method, we have to multiply fi and di. So fi di, these two columns. 3 into 20 minus is there. Okay, minus 60. 10 into minus 10 minus 100. One value definitely 0 will come. Okay, where you are assuming that value will be 0. 8 into 10, that is 80. Now 3 into 20, that is 60. Same here also you have to find sigma fi di. What is sigma fi di? Observe here, 160, 160 negative value. Okay, in minus 160. But positive value 80 plus 60, 140. So negative is more, minus 20. So you are getting a negative value. Depending upon the assumed value, you will get different values. Suppose if you assume 60 also, you will get answer. Or 80, that time also you will get answer. Okay. So you won't get any confusion here. You can assume any value from center. Okay. Right here, sigma fi di is there, and sigma fi is already 35. Already we calculated that one. Now what is the formula here? Mean. See, students, to find the mean in assumed mean method, we are assuming a. Okay, so take first a plus same thing sigma fi di by sigma fi, right? So in the first case, sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. What is a here? We are assuming 70. So you write the data a. We are assuming 70, right? Now what is sigma fi? 35. Now what is sigma fi di? That's how much? Minus 20. Now we are substituting the values here. 70 plus, now sigma fi di, how much it is? Minus 20 by, okay, sigma fi di is how much? Minus 20 by sigma fi, it is 35. Now cancel this one. 5 4 ja, 5 7 ja. So 70 minus 4 by 7. Here minus is there. So minus 4 by 7. So what is 4 by 7 means? 4 7 table. First, it is not possible. 7004. You put your point, take 0. 7 5 ja 35. 5 0. 7 7 ja 49. You can leave the remainder. Okay. Now 0.5% you are getting. So what is that? 70 minus 0.57. What is this value? Again it is 69.43. You see here 70. You take here 0 0. 0.57 you have to subtract, right? Here bring borrow, 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, okay? Now here 9 is there, here 6, 69.43. See here, mean in the first case we are getting 69.43, here also we are getting 69.43. So assumed mean method also we are getting same answer. But here what is the extra column we have to write? We have to find DI, deviation values. After that sigma FIDI and finally sigma FIDI. Okay, in that way we have to proceed. Now we will go to third method for the same problem. In the third method, that is step deviation method, one more extra column we have to enter here. So deviation, after finding deviation, FIDI it is not necessary here. Next we have to proceed by finding mu I values. In this case, mu I values are necessary. What is mu I? Already here xi minus a is there. Xi minus a by h values we have to write. H is what? Class size. See students, after finding deviation di values, now we have to find mu I. Okay, what is mu I? Xi minus a by h. What is h here? H is class size. It is 10. We know xi minus a values. These are xi minus a values, dA values. Okay, by h we have to write. Very simple this one. This is step deviation method. Step deviation method. Students, for any high values, suppose very huge values they can give. That time also, if you proceed step deviation method, the values will become simple one. Okay, by that calculation is very easy. Right, what is mu I? Xi minus a. Already xi minus a values are there. Again, we are dividing these values by class size. So, still less values we are getting. Minus 20 by 10, you will get here minus 2. Minus 10 by 10, you will get minus 1. This value 0 only. Now 10 by 10 it is 1. 20 by 10 you will get 2. Okay, see, very simple values. These are mu I. Now same thing, Fi mu I. In the first case you are finding, after finding mid values, Fi xi, that is direct method. Next you are finding deviation di, Fi di, that is assumed mid method. Here mu I you are calculating xi minus a by h. Next Fi mu I. Fi mu I is what? See, these are mu I values, these are frequency values. 3 to 0, minus is there, minus 6. Now 10 into minus 1, minus 10. This line is 0 only, okay? 8 into 1, 8. Now 3 into 2, 6 you are getting, right? Sigma Fi mu I. Same step, we have to proceed. Sigma Fi mu I. Here, minus value 16 is there, okay? 10 and 6, 16. 8, 6, 14, positive value, okay? Difference is minus 2. How much you are getting? Very simple value, minus 2 only, okay? So that's why for very big values, we have to proceed step deviation method. Remember this one. Now, what is the formula here mean? Very simple steps. Deviation method, what we are writing? A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. But here what we are finding? Sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi. Here we are dividing by h. Okay, that's why here we have to multiply by h. This is the formula. Okay, mean equal to A plus sigma Fi mu I by sigma Fi into h. We will substitute the values here. What is A? Same. 70 we are assuming. Now plus sigma Fi mu I. How much we are getting? Minus 2 by. Now sigma Fi is 35 into height. Size of the class is 10, right? Size of the class H is 10. So here 5 2 is 5 7 ja. Again we are getting 70 minus 4 by 7. Last time also we get 70 minus 4 by 7. So you will get again here 69.43 only. Okay, you simplify 4 by 7. Just now only I have done that one. you subtract that value from 7, you will get 69.43. So mean in 3 methods we are getting same value. So if they not mentioned particularly any method, students, you follow direct method. It is very simple, right? And if intelligent students, they can proceed for bigger values, this step deviation method, because here calculation is very simple, right? Now we'll go to next problem. Now students, observe this problem. The following distribution shows the daily packet allowance of children of a locality. The mean packet allowance is 18 rupees. Here given the answer, mean 18 rupees. Now find the missing frequency. So in this table, daily packet allowance in rupees here given 11 to 13, 13 to 15, like that class interval, rupees. Number of children, okay, here frequency it is. So in this range 7 students, in this range 6 students, like that. Here he has given F. So 19 to 21 packet allowance, how many students are there? F. What is F? We have to find that frequency, okay. So here he has given mean answer already. By using that mean, we have to apply the formula and finally we have to find F value. So this one also we can solve in 3 methods. To find the mean, 3 methods are there. Okay. So I told already direct method is very simple for all students to follow that problem. That's why this problem I am doing in direct method. Okay. Students, all of you follow this problem. You can get full idea how to find mean. Okay. Right. So first of all, what we have to do? Horizontal column they will give the problem. We have to write immediately vertical columns. Either mean, median or mode, whatever it may be. First of all, write the horizontal column into vertical column. First one is class interval. If you interest, you can write daily packet allowance. Otherwise, you can simply write class interval. You can write number of children. Otherwise, simply you can write F5. Right? So class interval, frequency. 11 to 13, 7. 13 to 15, 16. Like that you have to enter. Right? Now what you have to find? Mid values. Class mark means mid values. That is XI symbol. So how to find mid values or class mark? 11, 13. Mid value of 11 and 13. 11 plus 13 by 2. Okay. You will get 12. Exactly mid value you will get 12. Now here 2 difference is there. See, class size is 2. So you have to add 2 to here. 12 after you will get 14. Next 16, 18, 20, 22, finally 24. Okay. These are the mid values. Xi. Next in direct method, Fi Xi you have to calculate. Fi Xi. This line is Fi, this line is Xi. Now 12 7. 12 7 ja 84. Okay, we have to calculate Fi into Xi. 12 7 ja 84. Now 6 into 14. 14 6 ja again 84. 9 into 16. 69 ja 144. 13 into 18. 18 3 ja 54. 18 1 ja 18. 5. 23. F into 20, you have to write simply 20F. Okay, we don't know value of F, so 20 into F is 20F only. 22 into 5, 110. Now 4 into 24, 24 4 ja 96. Okay, after that what we are doing in direct method? What is sigma F? Total frequency you have to calculate. Here students, you close this frequency, you don't know that value. Except F, remaining values you have to add. Okay, 7 6 13, 13 22, 25, 30, 34. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, we are getting here 44, but F is there. Don't add directly. Simply you have to write 44 plus F, because we don't know what is F. So except F, you have to add all other values. You are getting 44, that sum. Okay, plus F. This is sigma F. Now what is sigma Fi Xi? Sigma Fi Xi is what here? You have to add all these values you have to add. But except this one, 20F. You don't know what is 20F. So close that value. And remaining values you have to add. You will get 752. If you close this value, you will get 752. Now plus 20f you are right, plus 20f as it is you are right. That is total sigma fi xi. Here sigma fi is 44 plus f. Now we know mean. Already he has given mean of the daily allowance. How much he has given? 18 rupees. Okay, that answer he has given. Here what is mean? In direct method, mean x bar means sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the formula. Okay. Directly we can find mean here. So we know these values. What is sigma fi xi? I am substituting that value. 752 plus 20f. That is sigma fi xi by what is sigma fi? It is 44 plus f. Okay. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. 44 plus f. This is how much? X bar. What is x bar? It is 18. Now transpose this to RHS side. 752 plus 20f equal to what? 18 into 44 plus f. Okay. Here it is dividing. It is dividing here LHS side. So RHS side it will multiply. So 752 plus 20f equal to what? 18 into 44. 18 for 72. 18 for 72, 79. Plus 18 into f, it is 18f. Now, subject f, bring LHS side. Here 20f is there. 18f bring to LHS side. Minus 18f it is. Now, RHS side 792 is there. Write down that. Now, 752 at a time I am sending to RHS. Minus 752. Okay. So, numbers on RHS side, subject LHS side. 20f minus 80f means you will get 2f. Here 792 minus 752 it is how much? It is 40. Okay. You will get 40. So what is f? 40 minus by 2. 40 by 2 that is 20. So missing frequency. How much you are getting missing frequency? It is 20. Okay. So like this in direct method we can find simply this very important problem because here is asking to find frequency. Such type of problems are very important in exam point of view. Students, this is the mean. Okay, like this median in one video and mode in another video I will explain. Finally, for a single problem I will explain mean, median, mode. Okay, in separate video. If you like my videos, please share and also comment this one. And students, those are watching first time, try to subscribe this channel. Okay, by that you will get notifications for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.